Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to share a folder in Windows 10. Right-click Start button. Click Computer Management. Click Shared Folders. Click Shares. Show the shared folder. Right-click mouse button. Click New Share. Click Next. Select the folder to share. I am creating new folder to share that folder. Click Next. Click Next. Give the permission to that folder. Click Finish. Click Finish. Folder is shared successfully. Next part I will show you how to view shared folder using command prompt. Type CMD in search bar. Run as administrator. Type NetSpace share. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.